morning children. Today we start online class for class 9th. In this class we are going to discuss lab activity of chapter 1 motion children. Children, this lab activity aims what? To find the acceleration and velocity of an object children. Of an object moving on an inclined plane. Understand children? Once again I will repeat. To find the acceleration and the velocity of an object moving on an inclined plane. Okay children, consider an object. Which object? Any object, whether it is moving object or non-moving object. I will consider, for example, I am saying that I will consider a bike example here. If I give you a bike to you, you will travel in the bike. Okay, you are moving in the bike. Okay, when you are moving on the bike, you continuously go with the same speed, like 30 kilometers per hour. You maintain that speed throughout 1 hour? No, you cannot. You will accelerate and deaccelerate. You will accelerate and deaccelerate in certain times. Here, the acceleration refers to that, nothing but the rate of change of velocity of an object is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity of an object is called acceleration. Okay, they said to find the acceleration. Now you understand. If I give you a bike, you continuously accelerate, deaccelerate. That we have to find out. Next, and velocity. What is velocity? I think you may know this term, velocity. The rate of change of displacement of an object. The rate of change of displacement of an object is called velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means two-dimension quantity. Means it contains both distance and direction. Distance and direction. See, nothing but velocity is nothing but if you are traveling in a train from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam. Children, from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam, you are traveling on a train. So you have to move more than 300 kilometers to reach Visakhapatnam. So you should move towards north. The north is nothing but the displacement, children. Displacement is the shortest distance covered by an object. Understand children? Displacement is nothing but the shortest distance covered by an object. Okay. Of an object. They said if you consider any object, then you have to find both acceleration and velocity of an object moving. Okay, it is moving. Any non-moving object or moving object, it moves on an inclined plane. Here, if we consider moving object, it will move. But non-moving object, if we consider means, will it move? No. But we are set up in a concept inclined plane. Inclined plane means what? The plane should be slope. The plane should be like this slope. This is nothing but inclined plane. I think many times you have seen this inclined planes. If you want to get your bike or car into your houses, then you will make a inclined plane platform to your houses. Inclined plane platform to your houses. So you can easily accelerate it by the bike and you can go on the inclined plane and enter into the house like this. This was a house. Okay children, this was your house. Consider. Okay, here is your bike. So it has to enter onto the moving inclined plane and near the house you will park the bike. Understand children? Inclined plane is nothing but slope. A plane which is raised from the ground. Right now, this was the aim. But if you want to perform this lab activity, we need materials children. Which materials we require? I am writing here. Materials required. Materials. What are the materials children? First one, glass marble. Glass marble. Marbles children. I am writing S. So S refers for plural. Glass marbles. Next, you need books. Books. Next you need plastic. Plastic tube. Plastic tube. Long. Means the tube which you are taking should be very long, children. Long plastic tube. I am writing here. Long plastic tube, children. And along with that you need a steel plate. Steel plate. Steel plate. Understand, children? Mainly you need these materials, children. Glass marbles, books, plastic tube, steel plate, children. Right now we will do that experiment, lab activity. These are the materials, and this was a question they aim to prove that. Children, we are set up in the lab activities. See, first of all, you should take a long plastic tube that should be nearly 200 centimeters. Children. That should be nearly equal to 200 centimeters. Okay, I am taking the long plastic tube. Okay, that should be nearly 200 centimeters in length. Okay, after taking it, what we have to do? We have to cut it in half of the tube. Means if you are taking this tube, you have to cut half of it. Means cut in half along the length of the tube. Along the length of the tube, you have to cut in half. You have to cut in half. So what you will get? You will get two parts, children. Previously you are taking one long plastic tube that is nearly equal to the 200 centimeters of length. Right now, cut it in half along the length of the tube, children. So I cut it. What will happen? I will get one tube and another tube, children. Means I cut it into half. So I get two parts. Right now, these two parts should be used as a track. Track means what? To experiment or to set up a inclined plane, we need this track. Okay, this was a track. Consider these are the two parts, children, and these two parts are combined and used as a one track, children. One track, children. Right now, one end of the tube should be on the books. Means one end of the tube should be on the books. Means some book should be below of the tube, children. Why you are keeping some books below the tube, sir? Because to raise the height of the inclined plane. To raise the height of the inclined plane, we are keeping some books. If we keep some books, what will happen? It will become slant or slopey, children. Okay, understand, children? Okay, right now, and at the bottom of the and other end of the tube or bottom of the tube, we should keep a steel plate, children. Steel plate. Consider this as a steel plate. Okay, children. Right now, first of all, you need to adjust the glass marbles in adequate sizes. You are taking glass marbles, okay, but that should be in adequate size to travel freely in between the track. Understand, children? To travel easily, comfortably in the track, we should be used as an adequate size glass marbles. Okay, I place a glass marble here, and I release the glass marble in the track. Then what happens? It moves, and it comes bottom of the tube and it strikes the steel plate. When it strikes the steel plate, what will happen? The sound is produced. And one more material we need that we left no, children. One more material we need. I forgot to say that material, that is nothing but digital clock. Okay, children. One more material is digital clock. We need this. I forgot to say. Right now, release the marble from the top of the tube and it moves as fast as it possible and reaches the bottom of the tube and hits the steel plate. First of all, when you release the marble on the digital clock children, and when it hits the steel plate, turn off the digital clock children. Turn off the digital clock. Understand children? First of all, keep a heap of books on the ground. Then take these two tubes and fix as a one track children. One track. These are two parts, but we fix it as in a one track. So, and at the bottom of the tube you keep a steel plate children, and the marble should be released from the top of the tube. Then itself we start the digital clock. 1, 2, 3 seconds are going on. Then when it hits the steel plate, you turn off the digital clock children. We will continue in the next class children. We will deal what happens and what is going to happen. We will discuss in the next class children. Thank you children.